What's up guys, in this video you are going to learn how to archive Instagram posts. I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How. I create video lessons, tutorials, how-to videos, product reviews to help you learn how to use technology to improve your lifestyle. So if you like what you see in this video, please consider subscribing. All right, on Instagram, you can archive posts or make it so that they're not visible from your profile screen. So if you go right here to your Instagram profile, and let's say you want to clean up your grid, and there's like a photo on there that you don't want to show up on your profile when people are looking through it. So you can just click on that post, click on the three dots on the post, and click archive. Boom, there you see it's gone from my profile feed. You can do that with photos or videos, it really doesn't matter. But if you want to get that back to your profile, you're like, oh wait, actually I do want to show that on my profile. You're gonna just scroll all the way up to the top, click on this little like clock with the arrow going backwards thing, and you can see all your archives. So there you go, I got Albert right there, and I can click the three dots and click show on profile. Then if I go back to my profile, refresh it, give it a sec, boom, there you go. Albert's right back there on the profile. That works with anything. You can do it with Instagram stories. If you click archive, you can go to stories or posts and see what stuff you've archived. Also, when you archive something, your post count will go down. So like my post count is at 38. If I were to archive something, that would go down to 37. So that's also something to keep in mind when you are archiving. All right, if you like this video, if you learned something new, guys, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Make sure you check out some other videos on our channel, and we'll see you next time.